What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to How to Smartphones unboxing video of the Samsung Galaxy S21, a 5G. So I did order the phone. They did throw in one of these smart tags in with it, which is pretty cool. I guess a little Bluetooth device for keeping track of where your stuff is, so you can kind of trace it, track it, find it, whatever. Smart tag. There you go. But the S21, that's what we're all here for. So there's the front, has an S, and then a 2 and a 1 over here on the sides. S21 5G. Take a look at the side. It does say Galaxy on this side, and then it says Samsung over here on this side. The top just has a little sticker with some info on it. Bottom has the some information as well, and then unlocked by Samsung Galaxy S21 5G, and then just tells you what's in it. Samsung Galaxy S21, the USB cable, quick start guide, and the terms and conditions of paperwork. So it doesn't have the wall plug. They pulled a number out of Apple's book by not adding the wall plug and some of the other stuff that we all have laying around the house, according to them. So open the lid, and inside we have a little, looks like a little divider to divide the phone from the other portion of the box. And then next we have the phone itself. We'll get to that in 1 second. Let's just go ahead and see what else we have in here. So the box appears to be empty. Have a little box here. There's a SIM eject tool on the back. As we take a look inside, there is a, looks like a charging cable, and then got some reading information. So the little startup guide and the other things that were mentioned on the outside of the box. So that is it, paperwork and charging cable. And we can go ahead and now take a closer look at the phone. So the first things first, gotta pull that sticker. So there you go, there goes the front, and here goes the back. And it was just delivered, just dropped off. That's why it is still so cold. It's still got a little bit of coldness to it. So the back, I believe, is made out of aluminum. It's, you know, it's definitely not glass. It's light. Kind of has a metallic type of feel to it. We got a little sticker around the edge here. Let's find where it starts and give that a peel. Wonder if that's a sticker that goes all the way around, because I'm not finding a place where it starts or ends. So I guess I'll just start my own. Who would have thought it would be so difficult to take a sticker off? Need to make a how-to guide of how to pull a sticker off your new phone. Anyways, well, that one ended back here. And we'll go ahead and continue on. And that ended there. And looks like there is potentially another sticker. No, maybe not. All right, anyway, so taking a look at the front screen, there is no home button, little camera. There's a little opening for camera up top, and that is pretty much it there. As we take a look at the left side of the phone, there are no buttons, nothing like that, so just the left side. Take a look at the top. There is a couple little holes for different sensors. So take a look at the other side. We got volume up and down and a little power sleep wake button. And we take a look at the bottom. We have a speaker, charging port, little microphone hole, and then a SIM tray right there. As we take a look at the back once again, there is some branding right down here, Samsung, and then some fine lettering down at the bottom. And then what we have up here, top left corner, we got 3 cameras, and this is just the base model for the S21. It's the base model. It does have just the 3 cameras. It's not the Plus. So there you guys have it. Pretty cool. It does stick out just a little bit, which, just like in other phones, pretty much tells you go ahead and order a case now. So that is that. So pretty cool phone. Nice feel to it. Nice kind of feel in the hand. I definitely like that. Give that a plus, give that a thumbs up. So if you guys like to see other helpful tips, tricks that I will be dropping on the channel, be sure to check those out. I will put them in the playlist in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. Peace.